Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be talking about the Python course or artificial intelligence course. So today we'll be talking about the content, the main content of our course materials, the objectives, the goals, and prerequisites. So not everyone is able to join this course. Several projects that we'll have inside of it, and then we'll have an introduction for the team that will be coaching it. Okay, so first of all, we'll be talking about the course. So what does it have? So it is mainly made of two main components. So the first one is Python. So Python will be learning about the basics, practicing each time step by step, going through it. And at the end, the mentee will be familiar working with the syntax of Python and will be able to solve, let's say, relatively advanced problems. The second main objective or content of our course is artificial intelligence, and it's the most important one. So how will that happen? We'll be learning the basics of artificial intelligence, then we'll be creating projects. So the mentee will have the opportunity to learn artificial intelligence and apply their skills into real-time projects that will be implemented in real life. Okay, so what are our goals? So what are the outcomes of this course? So there are two main goals as well. So first of all, the main goal that is related to Python. The mentee you will be able to solve problems, let's say complex problems, logical thinking, working with Python, the syntax, etc. You will be familiar. So when you see a problem, you won't be really afraid of it. You will be comfortable with it. The second main objective, and the most important one, is creating AI projects. So throughout the course, we'll have multiple projects, not only one, not only two, but maybe even three. We'll have three AI projects. So this is still in discussion. So that's pretty much it. Now move on to the prerequisites. So not everyone is able to join our course, unfortunately, but the prerequisites are experience in programming. So you need to have previous background. Whether you have worked with Python, any other programming language, or if you have worked with artificial intelligence, that's really great. Also academic level, so you'll be required to be at least in the second grade of high school. Moving on, projects. So what is our first project? Our first project is our mid-year project, and it is basically a face detection model. So face detection model is a really popular, let's say, use of artificial intelligence. You'll code a program that will be able to detect faces from an image. So, for example, you make a program, then you input an image, and it will select for you the faces. So this is our, let's say, our simple project at first. Then we'll have our end of year project, and which is the main project and a little bit harder, more complicated. Not as simple as the first one. It is the smart attendance system. The smart attendance system can be implemented at school, at work, or even in first slot association. So instead of the coaches just filling out a form or something, using AI, you'll be filling those with our AI model. So so basically, our program will be able to recognize faces after detecting them. So he will see your face and he will know who you are. After that, he will have the data of all the faces of the mentees and will make sure they are put as present. So you get the main idea. So we have an introduction of the coach and the assistants. So unfortunately, the assistants aren't included in this presentation, so we only have the coach, which is me. I am Mohamed in Jmeaa. I am 16 years old, and I am second grade student. I study in the Pioneer High School, My experience in First Skills Club. So this is my fourth year in the First Skills Club and my second year as a coach. Last year I was a coach in web development, and this year I'm a coach in Python and artificial intelligence. So that's pretty much it for our presentation. Don't hesitate to join us, and thank you.